Look that. Look how pretty my watermelon martini is. Halfway there. Look at her. We're about to go out for dinner. We're getting Mexican tonight, so we're probably gonna go to Pedro's. I went there about 2 weeks ago with my bestie, and they had really good martinis. And I'm kind of feeling like chips and salsa, so that's the mood for tonight. It's the vibe. Let's say hey. Y'all, look at my twins. Click stop. Click the stop right there. Love OOTD. Pink dress. Flats. Do I look fat? You're gonna win a toy. I think I'm going to do the cocktail de camarón. It's like shrimp cocktail, real basic. Look how pretty my watermelon martini is.
What? Why? Because she told herself she wasn't very good.
What? You don't like it? A shrimp cocktail. So I have been vlogging on my iPhone, and I finally decided to treat myself to a camera. So let's just do a quick little unboxing. Y'all, look at her. I got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo Bundle. It was actually on sale. I know I'm super late to the game. Look at her. That is so cool. It's moving. Y'all, this is so cool. I'm gonna go set it up. It's so cute. Starting the day off with some coffee from Classic Cup. I love cold brew coffee. So today I got the cold brew coffee and a boudin biscuit with noni sauce on it, which is like a spicy sweet pepper jelly. And now I'm stopping at our donut shop to get my daughter some donut holes because she's a little cranky. Ooh, y'all, look how good this looks. Thank you. You too. Yummy. Say thank you. You're welcome.
It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that are really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on the ass. Yes, I'm somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-Pad. Yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What are we? They like, what he on? This the Alpha and Omega, bitch. Welcome home. This is not a song. This a revelation. How to get a nigga gone. I need you a man, baby. I don't understand, baby. Pay your bill and make you feel protected like I can, baby. Teach you something if you need correction. That's the plan, baby. Don't put your life in these weird niggas' hands, baby. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-Pad. Yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What? Hey, turn this TV off. Ain't with my type activities, and don't you get involved. Hey, what?
Halfway there.
Send them off. Take a risk or take a trip. You know I'm tripping for my dog. Who you with? Couple sergeants and lieutenants for the get back. This revolution been televised. I fell through with the knickknacks. Hey, young nigga, get your chili up. Yeah, I meant that. Hey, black out if they act out. Yeah, I did that. Hey, what's up, though? I hate a bitch that's hating on the bitch, and they both hoes. I hate a nigga hating on them niggas, and they both broke. If you ain't coming for no chili, what you come for? Nigga feel like he entitled, cause he knew me since a kid. Bitch, I cut my granny off and she don't see it how I see it. Got a big mouth, but he lack big ideas. Send him to the moon, that's just how I feel, yeah, then it's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. Are we really sure? Can a love that lasted for so long still endure? Do I really care? Hey, hey, let's talk about the distractions.
Finally. Y'all, that just took me 41 minutes to do. Oh, but it feels so good to have taken that out of my head. Now I can go and wash my hair. It's been so long since I've given you guys any curly hair content, so I thought, how about I just take out my cornrows today? Am I the only one that doesn't really like washing my hair after taking down cornrows? It looks so cute, like a braid out, but at the same time, I've had these cornrows in for 3 whole weeks, so I have to wash my hair. But it does look really, really cute. I just picked up lunch from this little coffee shop in my hometown. I got 2 Boudin biscuits, the same place I went to yesterday, and also the shrimp dip. Look how cute they packaged it in this little clear bag. Chips and shrimp dip. Y'all, I just discovered this Tony's brand of candy. I bought this variety sampler pack and they were so good. It's one of my new favorite chocolates. Do you need anything else on the list? What do you need? Anytime you go shopping with a grocery list, it goes by way smoother. But then we get distracted whenever we're shopping because we see all kind of other stuff that we could need. And we're buying stuff not even on the list. So I'll get 2 of these. Ooh, fancy. What is that? Why do we need jumbo dice? Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all see how he finessing stuff? LED jumbo dice. Tell me why my husband buying this, y'all. Let's go look at the toys. We got our kids some tricycles for Christmas, but I did not know they had little scooters age 2 to 5, which would be perfect because my little girl is 2 and my little boy is 4. But all they come in is pink. If only they had one that also came in red, then I could buy both of them. I found this in here almost 3 weeks ago and said if she's still in here when I get back, I'd get her. Should I get her? But now the box is red.
Ask them if them in the back got an extra box.
Oh, y'all. Look at this Coraline. If y'all don't know, I collect pops. I have Coraline. I have Platinum Coraline. I have Doll Coraline. The other mother. Should I get these? $34 each. That's like $70.
So,
I really don't need this. Why some adults don't need to have money, because this is the kind of stuff I buy. To the books. Definitely coming home with me. So we're at Lowe's. I'm working on this DIY project. I'm gonna be fixing out 2 outdoor chairs that we have currently. They're like really old and I wanna repaint them. So I'm getting some Thompson water sealer to paint over them and seal them. And we also have this wooden table that I'm gonna try to strip the paint off of it. It has like a bunch of white paint chipping off of it. So I'm gonna try to sand it down and then seal it with the same sealer that I'm going to use on these chairs. So we'll see how it goes. It should be a really easy project. I'm not going to work on it today, but I'm going to work on it eventually. It's supposed to be on aisle 9 on bay 15. Aisle 9, bay 15. Harvest Gold. Found it. Just a few of the stuff that we got from the store and a few groceries. For dinner tonight, I am smothering some drumsticks with some instant mashed potatoes and a few other things just to snack on throughout the week. I know I was talking crap in the store whenever my husband got these, but they're actually really cool, y'all.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl.
I'm about to make some banana bread as a snack for my kiddos. I'm so late to the game with this, you guys. I came across this store-bought banana bread from Walmart about 2 weeks ago and made it for the first time at my mom's house, and my kids loved it. So I'm gonna start with mashing up my bananas, and this is a really good way to get rid of overly ripe bananas. And 1/3 cup of water. And then I'm gonna mix this before I add my dry ingredient. Y'all, I don't know what it is about eggs, but they always give me the ick. Now I'm gonna add my banana bread mix. And I'm also gonna add some sugar. Now I'm just going to mix it till it's all combined.
Why? Because you have to work with them, and you might even need their support on something in the future. And throwing them a tiny ball.
Y'all, look how good this looks. It looks just like the picture on the pack.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Let me see you dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your girl. Take a pic for the front to the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like nasty. I'ma ask you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, freshy.
Dinner is served. Smothered chicken, pork and beans, mashed potatoes.
Four things I can guarantee my love. Hey, baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Oh yeah, is that your bestie? I'm an ice baby, y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor.
Absolutely delicious.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow.